This is basically Stone Age kind of, crafty. My name's Rick Ladd. I'm with the Yard School, the Montclair Art Museum, and I'm running a 2-day class in Whittling. It's training your eye to see in 3 dimensions, but to actually look in the round, shape in the round. It slows things down, it calms you down. It's a simple pleasure. You're shaping skill over time, and then it gets better, and then it's an accomplishment, And there's no real expense. I mean, you could take a walk in the woods here. You can gather material if you wanted out of the woods, and make spoons or bowls or whatever you wanted. It's that simplicity that makes it special, I think. You'll basically get a knowledge of the different types of techniques to shape. And then from there, we'll have a project. We'll be actually carving a small bird. There's a lot of flexibility too. It can be highly stylized. It's not an exact thing. What you walk away with is more confidence in the skills that you received to further it later on, if that's something that interests you. It's a continuous string of things. It's not like the goal is just, we're gonna make this project and we'll be done with it. Hopefully you're walking away with something that energizes you to make more. That's what I get out of it. It's like it's never one piece. It's like lifestyle.